Hi there, this is Jen from Simple Green Smoothies, and today I'm bringing you into my kitchen to try out this bad boy. It's called the Nutribullet Balance, and it's one of the newer blenders. It's a smart blender, which means it comes with an app that you can download to your phone, and once you pair it with the Bluetooth, you can actually pull up recipes from Nutribullet and get directions on how to prep your smoothie, put it in here, measure it out, and also figure out the nutritional information behind it. But today, we're gonna kind of forget all of that stuff and just focus on the power behind this blender and figure out if it really will even blend a green smoothie, because that's what it's all about, right? So we're gonna do Takes Two to Mango, which is one of my favorite smoothie recipes, and it's in our program, Simple 7, which you can download and join through our website at simplegreensmoothies.com/simple7. And you will get 7 green smoothie recipes, a shopping list, and a support group to help you start your green smoothie journey. So let's get started and make Takes Two to Mango right now. So with this blender, you have to take it off the base and twist the blade off to get to your container. And we're gonna do 1 cup of spinach, which is about a handful. Next, we're gonna do 1.5 cups of frozen mango. I like to use frozen mango because then I don't have to cut it or prep it or any of that. And it also keeps your smoothie cold. There we go, gotta get that last piece. Now we're gonna add in 1 orange. And I am using a blood orange, which is really bright and vibrant inside because that's all I have, but it's just as good, it's just sweeter. And when I'm cutting the orange, I like to keep the pith on it, which is the whitish yellow part, because that has the most vitamin C out of the whole orange, and we need vitamin C. We need to keep our immune system strong. So don't get rid of that pith, you guys. All right, I'm just gonna chop it up a little bit to make it a little easier for it to blend. Put it in there. And the last thing we're gonna do is add the water. When it comes to the Nutribullet, you need to make sure, because it's an inversion blender, so we're gonna flip this upside down once it's on, you need to make sure that you screw it on super tight just to make sure the seal is on there and so it's not leaking. All right, that bad boy's not going anywhere. Put it on here, you push and turn to activate it. All right, if you saw me looking up close, it was because I was looking at the chunks still and waiting for them to blend up. All right, when you put that seal on tight, you also have to use those muscles and get it undone, but I was able to, all right. And one thing with this container, it actually comes with a lid. So if you wanna take it on the go, you can just do it like this, but it is a really large container and I know it would not fit in my cup holder. So I'm actually gonna pour it into my mason jar, which I always use for my smoothies. Look at that, perfect. All right, and I can look at it, it's super creamy, there's no leafy chunks, so it definitely blended, which is the most important thing, right? And let's see how it tastes. All right, Takes Two to Mango is still a winner. So if you liked this recipe or wanna try it, if you enjoyed the blender demo or have any questions, I wanna let you know that you can reach out to us. You can leave a comment below and I'll answer it. You can also enter to win this blender. We're gonna give one away right here on YouTube. So what I need you to do is leave a comment below telling me what was your favorite part of this video. And then on May 30th, end of day, I'm gonna announce the winner. So comment below and let me know what you loved about this video. And if you're interested in more blender demos, I have plans to do a lot more of these. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel at Simple Green Smoothies. All right, bye.